In this video, we will study Unit 1 of Class 9th CBSE, Subject Code 417. The name of the unit is Artificial Intelligence. So, what is the meaning of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is made up of two words. Artificial refers to something which is produced by humans rather than occurring naturally, especially as a copy of something natural. Intelligence, on the other hand, refers to the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. Who coined the word artificial intelligence? The word artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy in the year 1955, who is one of the founding fathers along with Alan Marvin, Alan Newell, and Herbert A. Simmons, and organized the famous Dartmouth Conference in the summer of 1956. This conference started AI as a field. Definition of artificial intelligence. AI can be defined as the ability of the computer system, that is, hardware and software, to do a task that normally requires human beings to use intelligence. Niti Aayog, that is, National Strategy for Artificial Intelligence. It refers AI to the ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Initially, AI was conceived as a technology that could mimic human intelligence. It has evolved in ways that far exceed its original conception, with incredible advances made in data collection, processing, and computation power. Intelligent systems can now be deployed to take over variety of tasks, enable connectivity, and enhance productivity. So let's look at the timeline of AI development. In 1965, John McCarthy coins the term artificial intelligence at a conference at Dartmouth. In 97, IBM's Deep Blue beats Russian chess master Garry Kasparov. In 2011, IBM's Watson beats human player in Jeopardy utilizing machine learning after crunching 20 million pages of information. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo beats Go Master Lee utilizing deep learning neural networks, most closely approaching the human thought. Now let's see some of the applications of AI in our daily lives. First, social media. Social media websites like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat send notifications and manage timelines with the help of AI. Music and media streaming apps like Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, AI is making decisions based on users. Video games. Video game companies are the most earlier adopters of AI. Smart homes. Many smart home devices use AI to learn about the behavior of the members of family and adjust accordingly. Security and surveillance. Thousands of cameras keep monitoring at the same time with the help of AI. Smart keyboards, which provide comfort for users while typing on the screen. Further uses are healthcare. With introduction to AI powered machines, detection of disease and treatment becomes a bit easier and convenient. E-commerce, online shopping on Amazon and eBay like websites using chatbots to collect data of customers and building a good rapport with the buyers. Smart emails, modern emails like Spark provide the facility to get rid of spam and unwanted mails. Smart cars. Tesla is a prime example of AI that is impacting in our daily lives. Smart drones. Companies like Amazon, Walmart are heavily investing in drone delivery programs. Banking and finance. Banking and finance industry relies on AI for providing customer service, protection against fraud, investment suggestions, and so on. AI domains. Human machine interaction refers to the contact between human and machine to fulfill a specific task or an operation. In human machine interaction, hardware and software play a vital role in communication. In AI, human and machine interaction takes place with the help of three domains, that is, data, computer vision, and NLP, that is, natural language processing. Under data domain, we have audio, video, and textual information. Under computer vision domain, we have face recognition, CBIR, and smart interactions. In NLP domain or natural language processing domain, we have to analyze different aspects of language along with text planning. Now, I would suggest the students to play the three games, that is, rock, paper, scissors. Next, emoji scavenger hunt. And the third, mystery animals. So, these games will help you learn about AI understanding and how the artificial intelligence perceives and detects the human inputs and competes with humans. The links for these games are in the description box. Thank you.